Hey everyone, Michael Majchrowicz with Coldwell Banker Real Estate. I always recommend that sellers get inspections prior to going on the market, especially property, termite, and roof. Number one, you know about potential issues. There might be something that's worth fixing prior to going on the market. In a hot market where there's going to be multiple offers, oftentimes buyers will write with no contingencies in order to be competitive, but that's very hard to do if there aren't reliable inspections to look at. It takes a bargaining tool away from the buyers. If they're forced to get their own inspections and they find something after the fact that's an issue, they'll often use that as an opportunity to renegotiate price. Avoid the renegotiation altogether and just disclose up front. Finally, it decreases the chance of a transaction falling through. If you have multiple offers and that buyer backs out, you lose all the momentum that you had that helped create that multiple offer situation. If buyers have all the information that they need to make a decision up front, it significantly decreases the chances of a transaction falling through.